In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent G1 Series dive computer watch. We recommend charging your device for at least 2 hours before your first dive. Then, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Then, press the Start-Stop button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Dive application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Dive application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Dive app. If you have already set up the Garmin Dive app, the Dive app will recognize your account and you can select Continue. Otherwise, select Sign In or Create Account. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Now select Add, followed by Devices to connect the app with your watch. When the app recognizes your watch, select Connect It. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to match on the Garmin Dive app. Select Pair. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. Once set up, the Garmin Dive app will check for updates for your device and install them. Once your download is complete, your watch will prompt you to finish the installation. To finish setup, read through the watch terms and conditions. Then press down to accept. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. Your Descent G1 Dive computer watch has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch bezel has labels for many of these functions. Let's start with the light control button on the top left of the watch. Pressing this button will power on your watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will show the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, the battery saver feature, pool mode, and turning the watch off. To learn more about this feature, see our Controls and Hotkeys video. Let's move to the Start-Stop button on the top right of the watch. Press the Start-Stop button to view the activities and apps list. We will cover the activity list later in this video. You can also press the Start-Stop button to select on-screen options. Hold the Start-Stop button to view the clocks menu, where you can set and view alarms, timers, time zones, and more. Next is the Back button on the lower right of the watch. Pressing this button will return you to the previous screen. Holding the Back button will return you to the watch face. The Down button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass, also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus such as the glance loop. Hold this button to view the menu. From this menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. To get to your activity list, press the Start-Stop button. The Descent G1 Series Dive Computer Watch will have a preset list of activities that align with diving. However, you can always scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add to select more activities. To start an activity, press the Start-Stop button. Once you've acquired a GPS signal, press the Start-Stop button again to begin the activity. Here, you can scroll through your data fields while the activity is on. To learn how to customize data fields on your Descent G1, see our Customizing Data Fields video. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent G1 Series Dive Computer Watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.